Alright, hi and welcome everyone. In this video I want to show you how to change the blade on a Ridgid 6.5-inch blade circular saw. This is blade left. The blade is to the left of the handle. Alright, it's nice and portable. It's a little bit lighter than the 7.25-inch saw, which I also use right here. And this is a little bit different on changing the blade on this compared to the other saw, and this is the reason. But the reason is it's not lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. It's the complete opposite. So what we're going to do is first locate the Allen key, which is usually stuck in the side of the saw. Hopefully you didn't lose it. If not, you're going to have to find the right one. If I find out the size here, I will put it in the video. All right, and then we have a shaft lock button that's right here, okay? So that will lock the shaft into place when you unloosen it. So as you start to rotate the blade, just put pressure on this button. You feel it click in, and then you can continue. Now there's no need to open up the blade guard yet. So let's put the Allen key in here, and we're gonna go righty-loosey, okay? So get it there so we have room. We're gonna move it, and then there we go. We got it loosened. Take that, take the bolt out. Okay, and then the flange washer, and then we rotate this out of the way, lift it out of place. Then you can put the new blade in. All right, the blade always cuts up from the back. Okay, usually the label will be facing out when you put it on, but not guaranteed. But here's the rotation, and you follow the rotation. I think they put it here on the blade guard, yeah. So it goes that way, cutting up into the wood. So once we get the blade on, you can let go of the safety and then put this back on. And of course, make sure there's no battery in this while you're doing this. Okay, you don't want to inadvertently turn it on while you're changing the blade. So now we're going to do lefty-tighty, which is a complete opposite. We're going to get that started. Okay. And then we're going to press the shaft lock button here. Okay. And then we're going to go lefty-tighty. Of course, normally lefty-loosey. Okay, locked into place. We're all set. And then remember to put the key back. Okay, the long way goes in first usually. And you're ready to rock and roll. Put the battery in. Put all your safety gear on. I always use glasses. Sometimes I use earplugs if I'm making a lot of cuts. And then you're ready to rock and roll. All right, I hope this helped. If you liked the video, appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.